To set up email with Namecheap, start by logging into your Namecheap account and navigate to the cPanel or Control Panel. Once you are in the cPanel, click on the Email Accounts icon to create a new email account. Enter your desired email address and password, and then set the mailbox quota, which determines how much storage space your email account will have. You can also set up an autoresponder, which will automatically send a response to anyone who emails you. After setting up your email account, you will need to configure your email client to connect to Namecheap's email servers. To do this, you will need to know the incoming and outgoing server settings. The incoming server settings for Namecheap are typically pop3.namecheap.com or imap.namecheap.com. And the outgoing server setting is typically smtp.namecheap.com. You will also need to set up the port numbers, which are typically 110 for the incoming server and 587 for the outgoing server. You will also need to choose whether to use SSL encryption, which is recommended to keep your emails secure. Once you have configured your email client, you should be able to send and receive emails using your new Namecheap email account. It is also a good idea to set up email forwarding, which allows you to forward emails from one email account to another. This can be useful if you want to receive emails from multiple accounts in one place. To set up email forwarding, click on the forwarders icon in the cPanel and enter the email address you want to forward emails from and the email address you want to forward emails to. You can also set up a catch-all email address, which will catch any emails that are sent to an invalid email address at your domain. Finally, make sure to test your email account to ensure that it is working properly. Send a test email to yourself and check that you receive it. And also try sending an email from your new email account to another email account to make sure that it is working correctly.